Hello people and welcome back to Code on Dashcam channel. Today we prepared another banger episode full of all sorts of crazy road moments caught on driver's camera. Without any further ado, let's jump right into today's episode. Sit back and enjoy. We'll start this episode with something positive for a change. Someone was left stranded at the side of the road with no gas, but then this kind person appeared and helped out. This tractor trailer was coming down the ramp in a completely wrong direction and he ended up off the road. Who knows what could have caused the driver to get so distracted to end up in a situation like this one. Pay close attention at the driver coming from behind. He used the left turn lane only to go straight, and not only that, he even ran a red light.
Look at this motherfucker, parked the wrong way. It's crazy. Taking up 2 spots for what? All the fucking space and he's taking up 2 spots.
Whole traffic came to a complete stop because one lady got her dog on the loose. He was running all over the road and some people tried to help her get it back as well. Crazy driver was on the run from police and he nearly hit this semi-trucker head on. We don't condone actions like this one. Always pull over when the police is stopping you. Cammer caught a crazy road rage situation on his camera. One driver cut another vehicle off and they both stopped in the middle of the road. It came to a heated argument as they were holding onto their shovels as well. With this clip we reach the end of yet another episode on Caught on Dashcam channel. Hopefully you enjoyed watching this one, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button because it helps our channel grow. Until the next episode, drive safe and stay safe.